We wanted to show a little bit more about body voltage. How variable, how tricky body voltage is. It's hard to pin it down. And part of that's because there's so many different sources of voltage. The light's above me too. And so I'll show you that just by moving around a little bit. So please give me the ground. Right here I'm at, 140 millivolts. I just doubled my body voltage just by getting closer to the kitchen power cords. If I go, the closer I go in here, the higher and higher it's going to get. And if I actually put my hand on that power cord. So this is what's happening when like a unshielded power cord is laying across your lap or something. If you're using an electronic device, it's not shielded. Like you're on your couch and you're the worst things are AC, but even a DC, like plugging in your iPhone. You don't want to have power cords laying on you that are not shielded. And this is why. The voltage is astronomical. This is like 5,000 volts. I'll show it one more time. When I have an unshielded power cord that like lays across my lap or is really close to my hand, I'm at like 10,000 volts, 10,000 millivolts. Excuse me. That's really high. We just don't want that at all. And to show you the photon power cord, it doesn't increase it at all. It actually decreases it a little bit. So clearly this is a shielded power cord. And again, just having that photon near me is reducing my body voltage, whether or not it's on.